Spring is on the way and it's time to buy seeds, but buying from the wrong places can be a disaster, while buying from the right places can make all the difference. I'm going to take you through a range from worst to best so you can grow more food. You can go to dollar stores, save a little bit of money, right? But the problem there is, do you know where the seeds came from? How long have they been there? I really don't recommend that. Amazon is another choice. And the problem with that is it kind of lacks a lot of variety. So for that reason, I wouldn't go with that. You could also buy from Etsy. For me personally, I had a bad experience with Etsy. I had a cucumber seed that did really well for me. I ran out. It was an expensive seed. So I decided to go on Etsy to maybe save a little bit of money. When I started growing it, I realized it actually wasn't the same type of cucumber and it wasn't as productive. And I was very disappointed. Grocery stores, home improvement stores, and nurseries. Grocery stores tend to have a few racks of seeds. The home improvement stores have a few more. Nurseries have even more than that. And they're viable seeds, they're high quality. The only thing to note is you get tiny little packets, and if you wait too long, you're going to be out of options. Buy from online distributors. That way you get a lot of variety, and if you're into specialty seeds, you can get those as well. What I really like about buying online is when I find seeds that I really like, I can buy them in bulk and save a lot of money. Not buy seeds at all. If you grow your own seeds, you're going to save a lot of money and you know they're fresh. I do that with basil, dill, tomatoes, and peppers, and it works really well for me. Where do you get your seeds? I'd like to know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, of course, click the like button. And if you want more content like this, press subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you soon.